In today's video, I'm going to teach you academic document design in Microsoft Word. Academic design is all about clarity, structure, and following your institution's style guide, like APA or MLA. The goal isn't flashy visuals, it's professionalism and readability. We'll set up your document so it looks clean, consistent, and ready for submission. Start by standardizing the basics. Open your document and set your margins to 1 inch on all sides. In Word, you can do this from the Layout tab by choosing Normal Margins. Next, pick a standard, highly readable font. Most instructors expect 12-point Times New Roman or 11-point Arial or Calibri. Choose one and use it throughout. Set line spacing to double for the entire document, and make sure there's no extra space added before or after paragraphs. Keep your text left aligned, and apply a first line indent of ½ an inch for each paragraph. Finally, add page numbers in the top right corner of every page using the Insert tab and the Page Number command. These small choices create a consistent foundation that meets academic expectations. Now let's use the Styles pane to structure your paper. On the Home tab, apply Heading 1 to your main sections, Heading 2 to subsections, and so on. This isn't just about looks, it builds a logical outline Word can use for navigation and organization. Then, modify the normal style to control your body text. Set your chosen font, size, double spacing, no extra paragraph spacing, and the first line indent right there. By adjusting styles instead of formatting text manually, you ensure every paragraph and heading matches your required standards, and you can change the entire document's look with a single update. Leverage Word's automation to save time and avoid errors. Once headings are in place, generate a table of contents from the References tab. It pulls from your heading levels and updates automatically as your document changes. Still on the References tab, choose your citation style, add your sources once, and insert in-text citations as you write. When you're ready, insert a bibliography or works cited page that's formatted for your selected style. For headers and footers, use the Insert tab to add consistent page numbering and, if your style guide requires it, a running head with your last name and the page number. If you need more detailed formatting guidance, the Purdue Online Writing Lab is a trusted resource. You can also begin with a pre-built Microsoft Word academic template to start on the right track. By standardizing, using styles, and automating key elements, you'll produce a polished, readable document that aligns with academic standards.